In today's video, I'll show you how to create and send statements in QuickBooks Online. A key feature that helps you stay organized, maintain transparency with your customers, and keep your business finances on track. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process so you can start sending professional statements in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're there, click on the Watch Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In again to access your account. After you log in successfully, you'll be taken to the Watch QuickBooks dashboard, where all your key tools and financial data are displayed. From the dashboard, direct your attention to the menu panel on the left-hand side. Click on Sales, and under the options that appear, select Customers. This section contains all of your customer information, including names, contact details, and payment histories. Take a moment to review the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the customer you want to create a statement for. Once you've selected your customer, look for the Batch Actions drop-down menu near the top of the customer list. Click on it, and from the available options, choose Create Statements. This will open a new setup window where you can adjust the time period for your statement. In this section, you'll be able to customize the start and end dates. For example, you can create monthly, quarterly, or yearly statements depending on your needs. QuickBooks also allows you to choose between open item statements or balance forward statements, giving you flexibility in how you present your financial data to clients. Once you've chosen the date range and statement type, take a moment to review the information. Make sure that all transactions, invoices, and payments within the selected period are correct. Accuracy here is essential to avoid confusion later. When you're satisfied, look toward the bottom right corner of the window and click a Save and Send. QuickBooks will generate a preview of your statement. This is your chance to check the layout, confirm customer details, and ensure the message looks professional. If you'd like, you can also add a personalized note before sending. Something as simple as, "Thank you for your continued business," helps maintain good customer relations. After reviewing, click the Send button. QuickBooks will automatically email the statement directly to your customer's registered email address. You'll also have the option to download or print the statement for your records if needed. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a statement in QuickBooks Online.